the animal rescuers. Dun dun dun! I'm getting up. Oh, thanks. Now stay up there and don't move, 'cause you will fall. Mommy, help me. I gotta cut her extra hair off so she can get down. She's down. I'm out. Thank you. Now get him down. Fight with them. Thanks for hugging us. Here you go. Bye.
Created by
Gracie
and
Mia.